Okay, then yeah, back again with another video. Today, agenda, we are going to be taking out the motor, possibly out of the blue car. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff ready. I need to get, uh, you know, try to get my eyes to stay on the camera, because if you notice my videos, I'll be looking at the screen. So I'm gonna try and get my eyes to stay on the camera. That way it can look like I'm watching you guys. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the jack and stuff, and then start taking out the wheels. So alright, now I basically got out the engine. So yeah, next gonna be me tearing down the engine and see what all going on. So this how the oil look. Pretty black, but me ain't see no like metal shavings or anything showing like bearing material. So I might get away with the engine, just rebuilding it fresh. So this how the engine be looking. So yeah, I like to leave the transmission in, save me work and time. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash everything. Not now, but when I doing the engine pressure washing and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash the engine bay, get a little clean, and then yeah, the next video gonna be me tearing down the engine. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.